is all about the refresh rate.
90 frames per second.
Buttery smooth.
Super smooth when you're swiping through things.
The most responsive, snappy, fluid phone I've ever used.
A killer screen.
This is an incredible display.
This is a gorgeous display.
The OnePlus 7 Pro is a major
Navigation gestures make your whole experience a lot more effortless. Combined with our beautiful 90Hz fluid AMOLED display, you'll wonder how you live without them. Open the Settings menu, navigate to Buttons and Gestures. Click Navigation Bar and Gestures, then select Navigation Gestures. To access the home screen anytime you want, simply swipe up from the bottom center of the screen. You can see your recent apps by swiping up from the bottom center of the screen and holding your finger in position for a moment. The back function is really easy. Just swipe up from either the left or the right bottom side of the screen. Quickly switch to your previous app by swiping up from the bottom center edge of the screen and quickly releasing your finger. Setting up screen unlock only takes a few seconds. Open Settings, tap Security and Lock Screen, and choose Fingerprint. Click Next and enter your PIN, pattern, or password. Follow the guide on the screen, which will explain how screen unlock works. Place your finger over the fingerprint identification area, then lift it back up after you feel a vibration. Keep repeating this until your fingerprint is fully registered. Press Next and then proceed with the remaining edges of your fingerprint. You're done. You can now use your fingerprint to unlock your phone, authorize purchases, and other operations. Quick Launch is a convenient way to assign shortcuts to your favorite apps and features. Go to Settings, choose Utilities, and tap Quick Launch. Turn the toggle on. Tap Shortcut Settings to add or remove your favorite shortcuts. Now, anytime you pick your device with the screen off, just long press the fingerprint icon to activate Quick Launch and easily open your preferred shortcuts. With OnePlus Launcher, you can personalize your phone in loads of different ways, from wallpapers to widgets and general customizations. To access it, simply press and hold on any empty space from your home screen. Choose your favorite wallpaper for the home screen and lock screen. You can also use your own pictures as a wallpaper if you'd like. You can add widgets to the home screen by simply pressing and holding the selected widget and positioning it on the home screen. You can customize additional functions in the Home Settings menu, like adding icons to the home screen or enabling extra options like double tap to lock. You can also personalize the drawer, notification dots, icon pack, and home screen layout for the best possible user experience. With the OnePlus 7 Pro's stunning curved display, we introduced Horizon Light, which illuminate the edges for notifications. With Night Mode, you can read at night without straining your eyes. Go to Settings, Display, Night Mode. Turn it on manually or set it to automatic. You can also adjust the color temperature and lightness however you prefer. And when you need a break, you can use Zen Mode. Swipe down the notification shade and activate the Zen Mode toggle. Zen Mode locks down your device for 20 minutes and allows only 3 functions: incoming calls, emergency calls, and the camera. OnePlus Switch makes it really easy to move your things over from your old Android device. First, open OnePlus Switch app on your new device. On your old phone, download OnePlus Switch from the Play Store. Open the app and agree to the permissions. Then you're ready to go. Scan the QR code on your new device to begin. Now choose what data you'd like to transfer. Hit Start and just wait for the process to complete. Once OnePlus Switch has worked its magic, you'll feel right at home. Oxygen OS is filled with hidden features to improve your experience. For example, swipe down from the top to access the notification shade, which makes it easier to check your notifications and choose what to focus on. In the notification shade, you can find loads of quick settings, adjust the brightness, and customizing which tiles you see first by tapping the pencil icon to rearrange them wherever you prefer. You can assign nifty gestures to your favorite features. Go to Settings, tap Buttons and Gestures, and select Quick Gestures. You can assign shortcuts, such as Draw O, quickly access the Shelf app anytime you draw a circle with the screen off. Customize Shelf by tapping the Settings button. It's the best place to access your favorite apps, contacts, and more. Also, a new feature in Shelf is Parking Location Service, which lets you record where you park your vehicle. Split Screen allows you to use 2 apps at the same time. Multitask, making use of the many apps supported, like YouTube, WhatsApp, and many others. The OnePlus camera is intuitive and full of useful features. Swipe up from the camera interface and click Settings to access additional features like location data to enable the Places feature in the gallery or the grid, which helps you compose your shots properly. With Pro Mode, you can get professional pictures with just a few taps of the screen. Swipe up from the camera interface and tap the Pro Mode. Now you can enable RAW format, choose different frame ratios, and adjust various professional settings to achieve your ideal picture. The OnePlus 7 Pro comes with a powerful triple lens setup to satisfy all your photographic needs. The wide-angle lens is there to fit more into every shot. There's the main lens when you need the most details. And the 3x optical zoom lens lets you get closer to your subject. The improved portrait mode provides professional and more natural portrait photos while progressively blurring the background for a gentle yet powerful effect. Nightscape is the best feature when you want to capture the beauty of the night. It takes a long exposure shot, but you don't need to hold the phone still to do it. The OnePlus 7 Pro can shoot amazing videos in 4K 60 frames per second. You can adjust the exposure while shooting and lock the focus on your subject to get the best shot possible. You can also choose different resolutions and video modes from the video interface. With slow motion mode, you can record top-notch cinematic shots in 240 or 480 frames per second. With the video editor, you can trim your video and set the perfect moment for your slow-mo shot. Your action shot is ready to share with your friends and family.